lovely flowers. It's me, Nia, with Exquisite Floral Design and Events, and welcome back to my channel if you're new. And if you're returning, welcome back. So I'm going through, watching some vlogs, and I'm noticing that it's Vlogmas. So I'm going to try to do a vlog every day. Now, you're probably going to see this before you see the other vlogs that I have done, the weekly vlogs. But my daughter is supposed to be my editor, and she edited the last video that you guys seen. It was okay. It was pretty good. But that's all I could get out of her, and I'm supposed to be paying her to do this, so it's not going too good. So anyway, let's see if we can do this. Right now, well, so far today, I went to my mom's house. I take care of my grandma. She's 109 years old, so I was there. And then now, and I did work there. And now that I am back home in my home office, I am going to do a little bit of work before I go pick up my girls from their grandmother's house. But I went to the mail. I just started ordering this. There's a young lady, I think her name is Peyton, I don't know. She would open up this, she would get this and she would open up stuff, and she would get some of the best stuff ever. And I'm not like a makeup person. I'm like very natural. So when I'm trying to buy stuff, I don't know what to buy and what to get. And then I'm also the type of person where look, you see my desk. This is going to be one of the things that I do. But I'm one of the type of person who I hate spending money on stuff that you're just going to throw away. Or, you're going to use one time and it don't work right. So like the other day, I was looking for, she was also talking about she had like this elf, what was it? I'm trying to find something to open this up. She had an elf lip liner, and it was like a clear, and it was so pretty because I can never find a lip stick that I like. And then, as you can see, like right here on my lips where I had them plumped, they look weird on camera. So anyway, I was looking for it and I could never find it. So then I ended up buying like Wet n Wild. And I think I bought another one. And they don't look as pretty. I want it to look good and juicy on your lips. Like your lips are like just straight glossy. Oh, excuse me. We took pictures yesterday. And, I do glue, press on nails. And yeah. Missing one. Yeah. Anyway, so let's see what I got from Boxy Charms. So I got Peak palette was one of the things that came. And let's see. It's 5 eyeshadow palettes. Let's see. Oh, it's kind of pretty. I kind of like this one. I like shimmery stuff, even though I should sit my butt down. And then I'll try. I'm not the best when it comes to eyeshadow, but they suggest this is $48. She must get a better one because hers be coming with, ooh, I needed some eyeshadow brushes. That's pretty good. And let's see what this is. This is a lip enhancer. So maybe I won't have to pay for my lips to get enhanced, huh? Let's see. I probably need this right now. Feels really good. It says infused with good for you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from the elements of the environmental damaging elements while providing long-lasting while providing lasting hydration. Okay. Then this one is a pumpkin scrub. I'm gonna try this. Ooh. You know what? I'm gonna try it. Let's see how it smells, because like my face is very, I can't smell it. But my face is weird. It'll break out with some of the weirdest stuff. So this is a pumpkin turmeric, can't pronounce it, scrub. And the last one, ooh, something I probably need. Oh wait, and then there's one more thing. There should be 3. I got this, mold. Okay. This is a moisturizer replenishing serum. And that's what I need. My skin stays so dry. So it says a serum that helps replenish moisturizers with a unique complex of low and high molecule weighted hydrochloric acid. Well, let's see how it goes. Pretty good. Not bad for $25. Get to try some stuff, and if I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. But hey, I'll use every bit of it. All right. So anyway, I am going to start cleaning off my desk. And then once I finish cleaning off my desk, I am going to work on a few other things. So let's get cleaning. All right, so my desk is pretty much clean, and my bag is pretty much clean too. So since I go and I help my mom on Tuesdays and Thursdays with my grandmother, I usually try to take my work with me. So I carry my bag, and it has like my computer, and it has my iPad, and what else does it have? And then it just has like some stuff in it, but I've been like applying for grants and business loans and stuff, and I noticed that like every time I'm always missing something. So I got to do better with like, I didn't have, like today I needed, which I didn't end up finishing because I'm like, I can't find my business. I don't have, yeah. Long story short, I need to do better with my accounting. But I found this company that has administrative assistants, and they're really inexpensive. So I'm going to start using them. Yay. I'm only going to use 10 hours a day, have them do all my accounting. I wrote a list. Let's see. So this is what I'm going to have them do. So I'm going to have them do my social media management. I'm going to have them manage inquiries and leads, prepare my financials each month, manage follow-up and calling of my brides who like inquire, and you know, we just lose it through the emails and stuff. I want them to design wedding lookbooks for my clients. And then project management. So send emails to employees about work time. So like right now I have about, how many ladies do I have in the lingering, which I need to put in here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 young ladies lingering, you know, who needs to, like, I need to, like, try to close the deal. So that's my problem on closing the deals. Like, if I can talk to you, I'm pretty good at closing. But if we're just commuting back and forth, there's no, you don't see the personality, or you don't get to feel on how I work or what I do for you. So it's kind of hard for me to kind of close the deal. But anyway, proofread my stuff and then create proposals. I hate creating proposals. I hate sitting at this desk. I'm not the desk type of person. Yeah, I go crazy sitting at this desk. So I have to like I try to do the 4-hour work week, which works really good. So I'm gonna go back to doing that. So anyway, I want to send over a, what time is it? Let me see, what time is it? What time is it? What time is it? So now that my desk is nice and gorgeous, I got 30 more minutes. I want to send over I want to organize this, and then I want to send over a quote for a style shoot that I have on the 9th. This will be the last style show I have and I have a wedding at the end of the year. So I need to, let's put that on, send quote for December 9th, flowers, and send quote or request quote for December 31st event. My baby's birthday is December 30th, and we're gonna have a big giant frozen birthday party. But I think I'm gonna I'm gonna change it, and I'm gonna ask my mother-in-law if I could just do something in her backyard on the 30th. When is the 30th? December 30th is a Wednesday. So I think I'm just going to have something big in her backyard with her daycare kids on the 30th because, you know, it's a Wednesday. They get out of school early. No, they're not even in school. So hopefully they'll be there. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to ask her today. And then I'm going to make some kind of decorations and stuff and just give it to them just for that. And then in July, that's when I'll have her big 5th birthday. You guys should have seen her first birthday. It was so cute. It wasn't to exactly what I wanted because I was so tired, but it was really cute. I'm gonna insert some pictures in it and show you what it looks like. But let's get started. I'm gonna clean this out. I am going to email Pineapple and send quote, email Pineapple, and that will be it for today. And then I'm just gonna edit this video real quick and upload it, and I'm going to have me some fun with Vlogmas. Anyway, let's go. So here are those pictures I promised you of my baby girl's birthday. I did the draping of the tent. I did everything. I even sewed the tablecloth. I was so tired. It didn't come out exactly like I wanted it, but it was good. So we had booths, we had a Ferris wheel, we had a merry-go-round, and we had a jumper. We had all different types of treats. It was really fun. Okay, so I was trying to work, and then I got a message from a young lady that I'm trying to close a deal with, and she was asking about her dress and her bouquet. Does it need to go with that, with her, does her bouquet need to go with her dress? And I'm like, Well, back in the day, it used to be really like if you had a princess cut dress, you were supposed to wear, you know, carry a nosegay or like that round kind of circle bouquet. And if you had like a princess cut, you would do more of a cascading bouquet. But nowadays, people don't follow that rule. You get what you like. So anyway, I'm about to go at 6 o'clock. The only thing I got to do was find out, oh, I cleaned out my little folder, find out what kind of flowers I need. I didn't even send the quote. I think I'm gonna do that right now after I finish speaking with you guys and editing this video real quick. Then I'm off to go get my girls. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You know, it's nothing very exciting about my daily life. Tomorrow, what do I do tomorrow? Tomorrow, I have to take back, we did family photos yesterday, so I'm going to go take back a little dress that I bought for my daughter. It was ugly from JCPenney's. They kind of claim it was $70. I'm like, that thing is ugly. And I got it because it matched. We had on pink and it kind of matched. So I had got it, but I ended up finding another dress from Macy's. It was only $14, and it was cute. It was by a designer that I usually always buy for her, but since it's pink and it's wintertime, they really didn't even have a lot of stuff that color, and I thought it was going to be easy because I had a pink dress, so I had got the pink dress, and I found my daughter something, my oldest one, from something from Forever 21, and she put like big combat boots on and a shirt under it, and she was happy. And it was my little one who was hard to find. And I'm like, oh, I'm going to be able to find pink. It's going to be so easy. We haven't done this color yet. It was difficult to find her something, but I found it. So we're good to go. So anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you're watching this. Just subscribe. Even if you don't even want to watch any of my videos, just subscribe. What are you doing? I need to bring up my count. I got till March. It'll be a year. Dang. I'm supposed to be doing this twice a week. It's kind of hard. But anyway, I will talk to you later. Or talk to you tomorrow, rather. Bye.